Have you ever wished you could earn extra money each week without needing to be a designer, a coder, or a marketing expert? In this video, I am going to walk you through a completely beginner-friendly, zero-skill required method to start making up to $500 a week using artificial intelligence. Yes, real income, powered by free AI tools. And it is easier than you think. Let me show you how. Step 1. Pick the right AI-powered service. You do not need to invent anything. What you need is to offer a simple high-demand service powered by AI. 3 that work perfectly right now are AI-powered content writing using ChatGPT, logo and brand design using Looka or Canva, AI resume or LinkedIn profile writing using Teal or Kickresume plus ChatGPT. These services are always in demand, especially on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even Facebook job groups. Step 2. Use AI to deliver the service. Let us say you choose resume writing. Here is how you turn that into an income stream. Use ChatGPT to generate or improve a resume in a specific style. Pair it with a free Canva template to make it visually appealing. Offer 24 to 48-hour delivery and unlimited revisions for 7 days to build trust. The actual work, 15 minutes per client. The payoff, you can easily charge $20 to $50 per resume, depending on the detail. Step 3. Find clients the smart way. Now, the biggest mistake beginners make is waiting for clients to find them. Do this instead. Search Facebook job and freelance groups. Offer a free sample or resume review. Message local businesses, recent graduates, or freelancers on LinkedIn. Create a simple Google site or Notion page as your portfolio. Promote on Reddit forums like Slavlabur or Freelance. 1 message a day can lead to your first paying client within a week. Now, the step 4, which is upsell without being. Once you complete 1 job, offer an upsell. These add-ons take minutes with AI and can double your income per client. If you rewrote someone's resume, offer to revamp their LinkedIn profile or write a cover letter. If you made a logo, offer to design their social media kit. AI tools like Copy AI and Jasper can help you write strong emails for upsells. The best part. Step 5. Automate and scale. Once you get your first 5 to 10 clients and testimonials, it is time to automate. You are running a micro agency powered by AI but entirely owned by you. Use Notion AI or Trello to manage tasks. Use Zapier to automate client onboarding and delivery confirmations. With consistency and client trust, making $500 per week is not just possible, it is realistic. Schedule promotional posts with buffer or later. Try this method. Start with 1 service. Use AI tools to reduce the work and increase the quality. Then scale. Now, you are not just freelancing. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a repeatable, smart way to build a reliable side income without coding, design degrees, or expensive tools. So, if you are someone who feels stuck, unemployed, or simply wants to make smarter money online, do not wait. And if you want more guides like this, breakdowns of real tools, and income strategies that actually work, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell. This is Byte to Bank, where we turn tools into income.